Wake up. Get up. Tidy. Visit. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Wake up, Eddie. It's time to get up.
Oh no, it's 8 o'clock.
Do you want breakfast?
No, I don't. The bus comes at 8 o'clock.
Does the bus come on Saturdays?
Saturday? Is it Saturday today?
He doesn't go to school on Saturdays. He plays basketball with Oscar every Saturday.
Oh yes, here's Oscar. Hooray! It's Saturday.
He plays basketball every Saturday. He goes to the cinema every Sunday. He visits his grandfather every Monday. He tidies his room every Tuesday. He washes the car every Wednesday. Does he go to the cinema on Sundays?
Yes, he does.
Does he tidy his room on Mondays?
No, he doesn't.
Does he visit his grandfather on Mondays?
Yes, he does.
Do they go to Burger World on Thursdays?
No, they don't.
Does she play tennis on Sundays?
No, she doesn't.
Does he wash the car on Saturdays?
No, he doesn't.
Pool. Shower. Gym. Theatre. Work. Coffee. Spaghetti. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock.
Hello, boys. It's 1 o'clock. It's time for lunch. Do you want some spaghetti?
Oh yes, please. Eddie, look! Jack Michael's on TV. He's a great basketball player.
I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. I swim in my pool. Then I have breakfast.
Do you work in the morning, Jack?
No, I don't. I go to the gym or I visit my friends.
Look, I'm Jack Michael.
Well done, Mr. Michaels. You get 3 points.
It's 1 o'clock. It's time for lunch. It's 7 o'clock. It's time for breakfast. It's 8 o'clock. It's time for school. It's 6 o'clock. It's time for dinner. It's 10 o'clock. It's time for bed. What does Masid do on Mondays?
He washes his lamp.
What does Masid do on Tuesdays?
He visits his family.
What does Masid do on Wednesdays?
He flies to Planet Zicom.
What does Masid do on Thursdays?
He plays basketball.
What does Masid do on Fridays?
He swims in the lake.
What does Masid do on Saturdays?
He goes to the beach.
What does Masid do on Sundays?
He goes to the cinema.